Hi, Musk Melon is a summer fruit. This drink specially made during Ram Navami. This is served in public gatherings too. This is called Kharabuja Panaka in Karnataka, a drink with Musk Melon. I'm Mukta Nagaraj, welcoming you all to SBL Kitchen. I have pounded the jaggery into small pieces. I'm adding jaggery, added water, and allow it to soak. I want the jaggery to melt and I strain this. I have strained the jaggery water and it is chilled too. Into a glass, I am adding musk melon, to the jar. I am squeezing in the lime juice, and some elaichi powder. I am going to muddle in. To this, I am going to add few ice cubes. And it's time to pour the jaggery water.